Good day, New York. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing Jones Street, or in this case Indiana Jones Street. Let me show where I am, guys. So basically this is West 4th Street here going east, West 4 going west. Now you see they took off the West 4 here, so it's actually Indiana Jones Street and West 4. So we're going to close the circle here, but before we leave, let me show you where I am. This is West 4th Street and Indiana Jones Street. Let me show you where I am right now in my beloved New York City. This is where we are right now. Now, again, Indiana Jones Street. It's only one block, guys, so I'll try to go slow in this one because it's only one block. And we'll begin the journey now. So let me see, we're gonna go through here. Again, this is West 4th Street. Our destination lies down over there. We go through here and we wait. There's no stop signs here, guys. So there's stop signs, but no lights. So now we go. We got clearance. See? Again, this is Indiana Jones Street and the Last Crusade for many. Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade for the walkers. And I'm gonna show you. See, check it out, guys. See? Again, just like the ones we saw back there with the red cone things up there, this one is black. That's what they used to do back in the those days. And again, these are black right here. And here we got a wine nut. That's pretty funny. Wanna bite? This is foursome. See? And check it out, they got the mini-me Roman columns, which is cool, man. I've been seeing a lot of these on this side of the section, of the west side. This is like my 6th video where I see these guys here. Not the big ones, the small ones. Where they got the mini-me Roman columns. Check this out, guys. Check this out. You see, they got a, some sort of, I don't know if that's a beaver or a lizard or a bear. It looks like a beaver. It looks like a beaver. All right, we keep going. Check out the old gate, guys. This is old, man. Can you imagine back in the 1800s? This here is old, man. So even take a look at the plaque here. It's rusting. It's vanishing, man. Let's say 1824, guys. This was here, and oh man, forget it. We keep going, guys. Let me show you what this small block has. Again, it's only one block. Somebody broke a bottle. Okay. Stay weird. He's an alien, just like me. And this is Jones Street wine. Gin soon. Coming soon. So, let me see. Yeah, guys, this is Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade of the walkers. Let's see. Right now, you know, check out the plants in here. This might be about 10 minutes, guys. 10 minutes. I'm trying to go slow and try to show you what this block here has. In the eyes of the tiger. That's not eyes of the tiger, guys. That's blind of the tiger. Coming up at Jones Street, Bleecker Street. So we're gonna cross the street. We're gonna cross the street, guys, and just go back around. See? Indiana Jones Street, Bleecker Street. And this is Torisaku. That's Japanese. And that is Dear John's Pizzeria. Dear John's Pizzeria. at that, I might. Keep going. Now we go back to the left again. Back to Indiana Jones Street. Again, there's a lot of motion here, guys. Bleecker Street. Indiana Jones, Bleecker Street. I'm trying to see, guys, but as you can see, you know, not much. I mean, it's cool. Check out the sun. Almost peeking out. Almost peeking out. Cynthia.
That you can, like, it is like back to talking in the talking mouth, you know, which is just, you know, it's a whole different, you know. You
Vista Cleaners.
Right. I'm not gonna lie.
This is Indiana Jones Street Cleaners. This is where Indiana Jones comes to do his laundry, guys. Or have it done. Again, guys, that gate is really old, man. That's gotta be really old. This is Greenwich House Pottery. This is where Harry Potter comes to do his pottery. After the movies, he came here, started taking lessons in pottery. Harry Potter. Nay, now we keep going, guys. And again, you know, that's the only building with a mini-me Roman columns. Check it out, guys. This is St. Indiana Jones Street, but this is in metal style, guys. The material is heavy metal. A big thing. Let's see. Again, guys, it's only one block, you know, that's it. And that's pretty much it, guys. Oh, check it out, see? This is what I'm talking about. I do not know what they call those things, guys, but they still use them in back home in one of my small towns. They still use, well, not all of them. Only maybe 2-3 houses have it, but they still use them for all the stuff. For the rain, that's mostly for the rain, you know, so it can direct the rain to the stuff like that. And up ahead we got the premium Amano Cafe. And guys, thanks for watching the video, and I will see you all again back. Excuse me. Somewhere in time. Indiana Jones Street. Bye.